Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on Netflix. So let's get started right away. Now, whether you are using your phone or your PC, first of all, open up the Netflix application on your device. And once the Netflix application launches, you will see the sign in as well as get started button. Now, if you already have an account, you can click on sign in and proceed with your credentials. Otherwise, click on get started. You will then be asked to choose your preferred plan. Click on the next button and you will see the various different plans that are available for you. Choose your desired plan that you wish to use and then click on the next button. You will then be allowed to set up your account. Click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Type in the email address that you wish to use and then enter your preferred password for your account. You can then click on the next button and you will be asked to verify your account by entering the login code that has been sent to this email. You can check your inbox and then enter the code that you see within in the next section and you will be asked to make your payment. You can choose any of the desired methods such as your credit or debit card and also your PayPal account. After you finalize and make your payment, your account will immediately be created. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to create a new account on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.